Come on. More fun.
More fun.
Come on, more fun. I want you to do a funny accent.
Guten Tag, my French amigos. And welcome to Is It Shit? With me, Dan and Sean. Today we are looking...
You, Dan and Sean. And where's Dan? There's three of us now. Whatever.
Okay, so Sean, what are we looking at today?
Today we are looking at the Kit BB N105 V2.
Catchy.
Snappy little name there for their plugin. Yeah, so it's the Blackbird Studios, which is a very famous recording studio. It's a modelled version of their Neve 8078 channel.
Okay, so I can't help but notice you've got arse written on the... Oh, I think I might have just worked out why.
Yes, I have written arse on my notes. So, firstly, this does sound great. It does sound very good. It does sound very much like a Neve to me. There are a few things on it which I don't like. I don't like the hum. I mean, there is a big button to turn off the hum. I don't understand why anyone would ever turn it on. You know, that's just crazy to me. And you can change the amount of hum. I mean, I don't want any hum ever. It's crazy. Anyway, but yes, I have written arse.
Rattle.
Yeah, rattle. Exactly. Well, this is the bit that rattles me. So it has dual concentric controls for the EQ, and using a mouse is a nightmare to try and adjust the outside one and then the inside one and then back to the outside one. It's very slow and cumbersome, and I'm guessing you could get used to it, but it just drives me mad.
So what is that, Q and frequency or gain and...
So it's selecting the frequency and then it's adjusting the cut and the boost. It's really annoying.
Is they like that on the original?
Yeah, but you can do it with your fingers.
Yeah.
So
well, I know that.
So it's not an issue. It's the mouse. It's the mouse. There are people out there, you know who I'm talking about, who complain about these interfaces that exactly replicate the hardware because they're not designed to be used with a mouse. And mostly I disagree because I like them to look like the hardware, so I know what I'm doing. But in this case, it doesn't work.
No.
It's really annoying.
They should do an option, shouldn't they?
They should do an option. Yeah, there should be another way to do it.
Sometimes with because in Ableton and some of these doors, you can actually go in and access the controls.
Yeah.
Can't you, independently?
Yeah, I mean, maybe there is another way. Maybe if I'd read the manual, maybe there's a way to click and do something else. But, you know,
then we would be sat here slagging off somebody's plugin that they've probably worked quite hard on.
Probably, yeah. Okay, that's a fair point. But you know, ultimately, how does it sound? It is good.
Okay, so other than the lack of usability,
yeah,
the hum,
yep,
and the dual concentric knobs,
yeah,
is the catchy title name,
yeah.
Is the Blackbird blah, 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 shit?
No, it's not shit. But I think my overall impression is that it's $99, which isn't terrible, but I would buy the Noise Ash stuff instead. To me, that sounds phenomenal. It's easy to use. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Yeah, it's easier to use. I think you get more for your money. I'd go with the Noise Ash over this.
Okay, there you go. Noise Ash, ladies and gentlemen. Please hit the Studio Life subscribe button.
Do that and click on the notification bell, and then next time we're really slagging off someone's plugin, you will see.
Guten Tag.
See you later.